Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Stremio on FireStick. So if you want to install your Stremio, then what you can do is you can head over and then enable developer options first. Go to your settings of your Fire TV and then go to developer options and then turn on apps from unknown sources. You can just download their app. You can search for install the downloader app from the home screen. So the downloader app looks like this right there. So you need to download the Stremio app by adding this particular URL onto the downloader. So this is what it looks like. Here's the URL. Now you can just click on this go and then this will download the application for you. Once you have done that, you need to install the Stremio. Then once you have installed that, you just need to head over and then find the Stremio on your app list and then log into your account as usual. So this is how you use Stremio on FireStick. Hope you helped.